Look how good this turned out. So good. If you're still feeding your kids regular old wedges of watermelon, apparently you're doing it all wrong. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. In the spirit of summer, I wanted to try some really fun watermelon recipes for my kids and see if they lived up to the hype. So I went to AI, ChatGPT, and asked for viral watermelon recipes. So today we are making an unexpected twist on a classic with watermelon pizza. If your kids love fruit and you spend a small fortune on berries every week because your kids just inhale them, this recipe is for you. It's so easy. All you need are fruit toppings, yogurt, and your pizza base watermelon. As always, I'll leave a link to all these recipes down below in the video description. And really quickly, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. All right, let's get started. We're making watermelon pizza. Oh my God, this is so heavy. So we're gonna start by cutting up our watermelon. You're just gonna get about a 2-inch thick slice right out of the center of the watermelon for your pizza base. And then just go ahead and take the ends and save that for another use. Then we're gonna prepare our yogurt topping. And so I just used a plain full-fat organic Greek yogurt for the base. And to that I added the juice of half of a lime and a little squirt of agave for some sweetness. You can also do honey or maple syrup if you like, and just stir that all together until it's nice and combined. Then we're just going to take our watermelon slice and make little individual slices. You can totally spread the yogurt topping on to the round watermelon before slicing it, but if you slice it into little individual pieces first and then add the yogurt topping, it just makes the presentation a little nicer. So just add your watermelon slices onto your serving platter and prepare your fruit toppings. You can do any kind of toppings you like, any kind of fruit or berries. You can even do granola or cereal on top. I did a combo of sliced peaches, kiwis, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I just liked all the different colors and textures, and I think it made a really pretty presentation in the final product. Then just gently add your yogurt topping onto each slice and decorate however you like with your fruit toppings. How pretty did this turn out? You guys, this is literally so gorgeous. Okay, so I thought this was just gonna be like a fun, cute recipe for kids, you guys. This is beyond. It looks like a gourmet dessert or a really pretty display piece on a summer barbecue buffet. I could not wait to give this a try. It's almost too pretty to eat, but it is so good. It's juicy, it's refreshing, it's pretty, and totally Insta-worthy. My kids loved it. The sweet, tangy yogurt pairs perfectly with the fruit. This is a total must-make recipe and so easy. Okay, now go share this video with somebody who you know would totally love one of these. And if you're not already, go follow me on social media at LindsayAnn. Tag me in a picture so I can see your recreations. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what other recipes you want me to ask AI to generate so we can give it a try here on the channel. All right, I'll see you guys right here next time. You guys have to check out today's video. What I thought was gonna be like a cute, fun kids recipe turned out to be, let me show you, like a gourmet. Like how good does that look? And it's so easy. It's called fruit pizza. It's watermelon and fruit and yogurt.